Give away no day tomorrow. Give away. I'm not fit to give away because my man know the principal again for hospital. I mean, somebody have the right to one hour and you have 1 hour way to cancel 1 hour. Why are the rule there? Also, 1 hour. You have a year, say, or you have a year, say, you have to give away whoever I am. Or we are you, say, we are you, say, or the lumber. And get it up, you have a fellow was in there, mark my man. More, I never had the one to help you know, so that I don't do give away tomorrow because my mom not the bring money not be the problem. Yeah, but you say, I not do so large now. You don't so large and why you have your boy on the can whatever man. Now you wear 1 hour. No, why you have why you have the man get the man and oh, my woman is there, woman, you rock back. No, why you now, Edokaza tie comment on no ke ibe happy na benage na no wala wo happy me ma bi je na ewu yo ni ave wala
One, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you have not subscribed, my darling people, please do subscribe and smash the notification bell. Thank you and God bless you, my darling people, my correct people. This video today na about Mary Edows. Now Mary Edows now get this video today. So the thing just shocked me when I see say she dey cry just now. I just feel for her, like seriously. The thing really just pain me just now when I see say she dey cry. My darling people, I beg. Mary Edows say im mama dey sick. Say they say im mama no dey even dey breathe again. And did not want make im mama kpeme. And Mary Edows, she do video yesterday. They talk say he want do giveaway. She carry big money come out. You can't say go do giveaway inside this money. You understand? The money where she bring come out reach about 30,000 euro. So now she come dey talk and now say he no sure say go see do the giveaway. Oh, maybe I pray for him mama. If him mama meme, he go pain her well because he don't say where they sick. And she don spend many money, not be small. So Mary Edows say abeg he need una help. Say una pray. The help when he want na prayer for him mama. Say nothing go happen to your mama Mary Edows. May you not worry. I pray say God not go let anything happen to your mama because she cry when she cry just now. You really touch me. She talk say mona help and share this video. Abeg, you know I make him mama me. He no want. She dey cry. You know the cry just really pain me just now. Beg my darling people. Anybody wey see know where e go fit tell Mary Edows make e go or pray o mona console her because the cry wey she dey cry just now sef e just like I will not even know how she go dey wetin she go dey pass through now for inside house. She be wan do giveaway but she come talk am now say she no go fit do the giveaway again because her mama dey sick and she don spend many money for this sickness and she no go just dey make her mama just go like that. You understand? Na im make she dey cry. So mona join me pray for Mary Edows mama. Mona join me pray for her. I pray make anything not happen to her. I pray make she dey okay because una know say person not go just hear say mama dey sick, he go just dey like that, just relax. No, nobody. Una understand? Nobody. So now he make the thing just really dey touch me now. Say abeg mona join me pray for him mama. May anything not happen to her. We no want hear story that touches the heart at all. We no want hear say anything happen to mama Mary Edows. So my darling people, I beg this video not go too long. Mona let me share the video and mona pray for him mama. Mona join me pray for Mary Edows mama. I beg my darling people. Mona join me pray for her because the way she tell the cry just now, the thing just really touched me. Say no, we're not supposed to just leave rest like that. I beg my darling people. Mona join me pray for him mama. Thank you, my darling people. Take care. Bye.
Give away no day tomorrow. Give away. I'm not fit to give away because my man know the principal again for hospital. I mean, somebody have the right to 1 hour and you have 1 hour way to cancel do give away tomorrow because my mom not dey breathe, money not be the problem. Ya be ti yon say, na do so la dia. He do so la dia no ya vie boy me ye ke no wa de ba me. Na ya we wala wo. No wa ya be no wa ya de ba me vie de me na je be no. O ma ni da wo ma ni ropa. No wa ya la wo. E do casa tie, comment on no ke ve happy me na jena. No wala wo. Wala wo wa happy me ma di je me wo yo ni ave. Wala wo wa happy me wala wo. I don't know. If she is fine, I will continue to give away tomorrow. If she is not fine, I will not do it. I will not do it though. She cannot talk well again. She said she cannot breathe. She cannot breathe well. Oh God. Bye. I don't know. Tomorrow I'll tell her now. Anything I don't know. My mother is my mother. She's not breathing well. They just call me now. Now. I ni o de do ni wa me wala wo. Let me know what my wala wo wa je wu. Wala wo wa happy me do casa tie. No wala wo no wa ya de boya yeke. Wala wo do so la dia. Iye me we mo egun ele no wo my. It's all like zero, you and me, wala. Anybody no, even no, you know, anything, why did me, why you here, why you never need the cat. Wala. Well, baby, I just want to be here. My mom is not fine. I love her so much. Gosh. Give away no day tomorrow. Give away. I'm not fit to give away because my man know they breathe well again for hospital. I think I got my dear when you have the red door. Wallah, when you have wallah, when the castle. Wallah, why are the rule there? Also, wallah. You have a